Hello, my name is Max Dereta. I'm from Holland. I'm a photographer, traveler, skydiver. What does it mean? It means jumping out of airplane, taking pictures, traveling all over the world. My first visit to Russia was just after glasnost and perestroika. And the reason that I came to Russia was skydive on the North Pole. So that means I flew to Moscow, and I'm from Moscow to Khatanga in North Siberia, and then from North Siberia to the North Pole. The gate of the airplane opened, and about 120 of us jumped out of the airplane, and we landed on the North Pole. Dealing with the temperatures of minus 35, 40 degrees, when cameras kind of freeze, don't work. Out of 5 cameras, 3 worked. Now, how you get back from the North Pole? It's a very, very long distance. It's about 2,000 kilometers. But on the North Pole itself, it's amazing feeling. You feel you are on the top of the world. Because every direction you go is south. And you watch the sun at the angle of 45 degrees, and it makes a circle of 360 degrees within 24 hours. So all these shadows of the ice pieces are changing. The landscapes looks different every minute. Okay, after about 2.5 days on the North Pole, the group of 120 people was slowly transported back to Khatanga in North Siberia. I'm talking about Taimyr Peninsula. I guess you know where it is. It's, if you look at a map of Russia, it's directly above Thailand. So go all the way to the north, the very northern part of Russia. So back in civilization, after 9 hours flying with a helicopter and a few stops to refuel, we ended up in North Siberia, in Khatanga, happy to be back and alive and healthy. And then we made some helicopter trips to the nearby nomads. We visited Dolgani nomads. There are maybe 5,000 of them in that region. And then I really realized, hey, this is life on Earth. These people live in a most natural way. I spent maybe 10 days with them. After 10 days, I didn't want to go back to civilization because they had everything. They had the caribous or reindeer, how you call them? Caribous. And this is all. This is a food, this is milk, this is clothes. And what else do you need? I was really emotionally struck by encountering these nomads that I visit them again and again and again and made a lot of pictures of them. And I think about them every day. And this is, to me, one of the most extreme parts of Russia. I would like to see more. Besides this traveling to North Siberia, I did also other interesting things in Russia. I made about 4 flights with Russian MiGs. This is another way of doing extreme tourism in Russia. Then there is also this train trip from Moscow to Mongolia and China. Well, I did that as well. I saw Russia 6 days and 6 nights from a train, and I realized how huge this country is. I was about 14 times, this is my 15th visit to Russia, and every time I come here, I love it. I love it also now. That's it. Any questions? Or we are finished?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.